Ever heard of a condition during pregnancy that baffles even the experts? Welcome to Medical Lectures, and today we're exploring the enigmatic world of pre-eclampsia. Stay with us for a deep dive into this medical mystery. Pre-eclampsia is not your run-of-the-mill high blood pressure during pregnancy. It's a multifaceted puzzle, a complex problem with pieces scattered across a myriad of factors, including genetics, immune response, and more. So let's start at the beginning, shall we? The story begins with the placenta, the lifeline between mother and baby. In a typical pregnancy, the blood vessels in the placenta widen to accommodate the increased blood flow. But in pre-eclampsia, these vital vessels remain narrow. This poor adaptation leads to reduced blood flow, but the question that baffles us all is, what causes this misstep? The plot thickens when we introduce the immune system. It's as if we've stepped into a science fiction novel, where the mother's body might partially treat the fetus as a foreign entity. This clash can trigger an inflammatory response, damaging the blood vessels and contributing to high blood pressure. But is it just the immune system acting out, or is there more to this puzzle? We can't ignore the role of genetics in this saga. If pre-eclampsia has made an appearance in your family history, your risk may be higher. But it's not just about heredity. Maternal age, diet, and existing health conditions add more layers to this complex problem. With each piece of the puzzle we examine, the picture becomes more complex, more intricate. It's not just about one factor or another. It's about how these factors interact, how they combine to create the perfect storm that is pre-eclampsia. Are you surprised by how many factors are involved? We've only begun to scratch the surface of this medical mystery, and there's still so much to uncover. Stay with us as we continue to explore the puzzle of pre-eclampsia in our next episode. Until then, keep asking questions. Keep seeking answers. After all, knowledge is power. Oxidative stress and endothelial dysfunction are other key players. They contribute to the vascular problems in pre-eclampsia. Imagine your blood vessels not relaxing as they should, leading to high blood pressure and reduced blood flow. It's a vascular crisis at a microscopic level. This crisis is spurred by oxidative stress, a scenario where your body's antioxidant defenses are overwhelmed by free radicals. These free radicals can cause damage to your cells, and in the case of pre-eclampsia, they can harm the endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels. The result? Endothelial dysfunction, a condition where your blood vessels can't dilate properly. This can lead to high blood pressure, a hallmark of pre-eclampsia, but the plot thickens. There's another group of characters in this medical drama, angiogenic factors. These are proteins that help your body form new blood vessels, a process vital during pregnancy. However, in pre-eclampsia, the balance between these factors goes awry. Key factors like VEGF and PLGF are thrown out of balance, leading to a domino effect of vascular issues. Imagine a well-rehearsed orchestra, but suddenly the violins and cellos are out of tune. That's what happens in your bloodstream during pre-eclampsia. Now let's pause for a moment and appreciate the complexity of this condition. It's a whirlwind of genetics, immune responses, oxidative stress, and more. It's a testament to the intricate nature of the human body and how even slight imbalances can lead to significant issues. But it's not all doom and gloom. Knowledge is power, and understanding pre-eclampsia is the first step towards managing it. Spreading this knowledge, raising awareness, is crucial. It's not just for the expecting parents, but for everyone. After all, it takes a village to raise a child, and it takes a community to support a healthy pregnancy. So let's keep the conversation going. Let's keep asking questions, seeking answers, and sharing what we learn. Because together we can shed more light on this complex condition. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next episode of Medical Lectures.